Welcome back to my channel Cali Bullet. Today we're diving into a full in-depth review of the Kia Sorento in a bold black color, a midsize SUV that combines modern design, powerful presence, and family-friendly practicality. The moment this SUV appears on the road in its glossy black finish, it instantly stands out with a premium and confident personality. The Sorento has evolved into a more upscale machine, and from every angle you can see how Kia has focused on giving it both style and substance. The front of the Sorento gives off a dominant and sharp look with Kia's signature tiger nose grille, now wider and more aggressive. The chrome detailing mixes perfectly with the dark paint, and the LED headlights with their crisp daytime running lights give the SUV a futuristic expression, especially at night. The sculpted hood lines push the design forward, making the front end feel athletic and powerful. As you walk to the side, the stretched wheelbase, clean character lines, and slightly elevated stance create a sense of strength and sophistication. The black color enhances the reflections across the doors, and the alloy wheels, whether you get the 18 or the sportier 20-inch version, add an extra touch of style. The roof rails, window trim, and subtle fender shapes all work together to give the Sorento a sleek, balanced look. Moving toward the back, the vertical LED tail lights are instantly recognizable as Sorento DNA. They give the SUV a modern, premium feel. The rear bumper carries a strong design, and the hidden exhaust setup adds a clean, elegant touch. The rear spoiler and the large rear window provide both practicality and road presence, completing the SUV's bold appearance. Stepping inside the Sorento, you immediately notice how much Kia has invested in transforming the cabin experience. The black interior theme, soft-touch materials, metallic accents, and refined stitching create an upscale environment that feels more like a luxury SUV. The dashboard layout is wide and modern, with a digital driver cluster and a large infotainment screen positioned smoothly across the dash. The system supports navigation, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, multiple camera angles, and seamless connectivity features. The seats are designed for comfort, perfect for long journeys, with supportive cushioning and available heating and cooling options. The Sorento's 3-row layout is one of its biggest strengths. The second row offers generous space, while the third row, suitable for kids or occasional adult use, adds valuable practicality. Kia provides plenty of storage areas, cup holders, USB ports, and thoughtful placements that make the cabin convenient for families, travelers, or daily commuting needs. On the road, the Sorento delivers a well-balanced performance. Depending on the market, you can get a standard gasoline engine, a turbocharged powertrain for stronger acceleration, or hybrid and plug-in hybrid versions for enhanced fuel efficiency. The steering feels light and manageable in the city but stable at highway speeds. The suspension is tuned to absorb bumps comfortably without losing stability, providing a smooth and confident drive. The cabin remains quiet thanks to Kia's improved insulation, making long drives more relaxing for everyone on board. The Sorento may not be a hardcore performance SUV, but it offers just the right mix of power, comfort, and control for family-oriented drivers who want something stylish yet reliable. When it comes to pricing, the Kia Sorento positions itself in a sweet spot of the midsize SUV segment. It offers many premium features at a more accessible price compared to luxury competitors. Costs vary depending on the trim, engine option, and packages, but its value for money reputation is one of its strongest. Advantages: if someone is planning to buy this SUV, my suggestion is to choose the trim that includes the upgraded safety package and the digital interior features, because they elevate the overall driving experience significantly. Those who prioritize fuel savings should consider the hybrid or plug-in hybrid version. If style and road presence are your priority, the black color combined with larger wheels and the panoramic roof will give the Sorento a high-end, standout appearance. Thank you for watching this full detailed review of the Kia Sorento in black. If you enjoyed the breakdown of its design, interior, performance, and value, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment telling me which car you want to see next. This is Cali Bullet signing off, and I'll see you in the next video.